Understanding Rabbit Farming, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic, rabbit farming. This video is designed for those of you learning English and interested in understanding this unique form of animal husbandry. So, let's dive in and learn all about rabbit farming. Rabbit farming is the practice of raising rabbits for various purposes, such as meat, fur, or as pets. Unlike traditional livestock, rabbits are small, require less space, and can be farmed in both rural and urban settings. This section will cover the basics of rabbit farming, including the reasons why people choose to farm rabbits. In this section, we will discuss the numerous benefits of rabbit farming. Rabbits reproduce quickly, have a short gestation period, and are known for their lean, healthy meat. Additionally, rabbit farming can be a sustainable and eco-friendly option compared to other types of animal husbandry. While rabbit farming has many advantages, it also comes with its own set of challenges. This includes managing rabbit health, dealing with environmental factors, and ensuring proper nutrition. We'll delve into these challenges and discuss how they can be effectively managed. There are various breeds of rabbits, each with unique characteristics. In this section, we'll introduce some of the popular rabbit breeds used in farming, such as the New Zealand White, Flemish Giant, and Californian rabbits, and discuss their distinct features. Here, we'll explore the different techniques used in rabbit farming. This includes housing, feeding, breeding, and overall care of rabbits. Whether it's for commercial purposes or as a hobby, this section will provide valuable insights into the best practices in rabbit farming. We hope this video has been an informative guide to rabbit farming for all the English learners out there. Remember, rabbit farming can be a rewarding experience, but it requires dedication and knowledge. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful in your English language learning journey.